आज 3 तारीख है और आज हम कंप्यूटर पढ़ने जा रहे हैं लेसन 3 पूरा। लेसन 3 में हम क्वेश्चन करवा चुके हैं और हम इसको पूरा पढ़ने जा रहे हैं और हम अपना बस फेस दिखा पढ़ेंगे। लेसन 3 वर्किंग विथ विंडोज 10। In this lesson you will learn about some more features of Windows 10 and how to use them properly. Windows 10 taskbar has a start button on its extreme left side. On clicking the start button, a list of options get displayed. This list is known as start menu. The start menu has two sections. The left section displays a list of programs called apps in Windows 10 and the right section displays some group of rectangular boxes called tiles. A tile is an application icon. The start button is followed by a search bar. This search bar helps the user in searching files or programs on the computer. You can also search the web for different pieces of information using this search bar. Just adjacent to the search bar, you can find the Task View button, which helps in managing multiple open program Windows 10. The middle section of the taskbar shows icons of commonly used programs. It also shows opened program if any has buttons. On the right side of the taskbar, is present notification area. It displays a clock beside some group of icons that indicate the notification about the programs running on the computer. Changing position of the taskbar. The position of the taskbar can be changed and it can be placed on any one side of the screen. For changing the position of taskbar, the given steps should be followed. Step 1. Right click on the taskbar and uncheck the lock the taskbar option by clicking on it. Step 2. Now drag the taskbar to any side of the screen for changing its position. Fact bit. By default, the taskbar is locked. You cannot move it until you unlock it. Changing desktop background. Desktop background is a background picture or wallpaper on the desktop. You can change the desktop background by following these steps. Step 1. Right click on the blank area of the desktop. A pop-up menu appears. Step 2. Select the personalized option. The settings dialog box appears. Step 3. Select background option in the left pane. Click on the drop down arrow of the background list box and select any option, picture, slides or color from the displayed list. For example, select picture option. Step 4. Select any picture from choose your picture section or click on browse button to get more options from the pictures. A preview of the selected desktop background appears in the preview window. The selected picture is now set as the background. Changing screensaver. A screensaver is a moving, rotating, or changing image that appears when monitor is left idle. For a set period of time, it temporarily flashes on the screen. The movement of mouse or when any key is pressed, screensaver flashes off. You can personalize the screensaver by performing the following steps. Step 1. Right click on the empty part of the desktop and a shortcut menu appears. Step 2. Select the personalize option. A settings dialog box appears. Step 3. Select the lock screen option from the left pane. Step 4. Select the screensaver settings option from the right pane. The screensaver settings dialog box will appear. Step 5. Click on the drop down arrow in the screensaver section and select any screensaver of your choice. A preview of the screensaver will be displayed. Step 6. You can set the time in the wait box as per your need. Click on OK. Context menu. A context menu is a graphical user interface GUI that appears upon user interaction such as right click mouse operation. When you right click on any icon, a pop-up menu appears. This menu has certain commands related to the selected icon. Right clicking on different object displays different sets of commands. The context menu is also as the pop-up menu or the shortcut menu. Right clicking on the blank area of the desktop. When you right click on the blank area of the desktop, you will see a shortcut menu with personalized option at the bottom. Using this personalized option, you can change the settings of the desktop screensaver, menus, fonts, color, theme, etc. Right clicking on an icon. When you right click on any icon on the desktop, you will find entirely different list of options. You will see properties option will be at the bottom of this list. It displays the basic information about the icon. Shortcuts. If you have a file or folder that you use frequently, you can save time by creating a shortcut of it on the desktop. It provides a quick method to open any application or software that you use frequently instead of navigating to the file or folder. Each time you want to use it, you can simply double click the shortcut to open it. A shortcut will have a small arrow in the lower left corner of the icon. A shortcut does not create duplicate copy of the folder. It is just simply a way to access the folder more quickly. If you delete a shortcut, it will not delete the actual folder or the files it contains. To create a shortcut, step 1, locate and right click on the desired folder file, then select send to desktop, create shortcut. A shortcut to the folder will appear on the desktop. Notice the arrow in the lower left corner of the icon. You can now double click on the shortcut to open the folder at any time. Mouse pointer. Mouse pointer is a graphical image used to activate or control certain elements in a graphical user interface. This is also known as mouse cursor or mouse arrow. The normal shape of a mouse pointer is an arrow pointer. The shape of mouse pointer changes according to the action that you perform. Chart of mouse pointer. ये देखो दादी अच्छा लग रहा है. Mouse pointer shape action perform busy. This means computer is busy and wants you to wait. Object resizing cursor. This arrow is used to resize an object horizontally, vertically, or diagonally. Four-headed arrow. This is also known as move cursor. It is used to move objects such as text, image, toolbars, even and window by dragging them to new location. Working background. It means that the computer is processing while you are working. I beam I. This pointer is used for inserting text, selecting text in a document, changing mouse setting. To change mouse setting, follow the given step. Step 1, click on the start button, setting geared icon, devices or setting dialog box appears. Step 2, save mouse from the left side pane, then select additional mouse option from the right side pane. Step 3, the mouse properties.